Ayan guys, andito kami sa wow! One day we need to try this. As for now, we have baby. I don't want her to, you know. Wow, it's nice. Look at that. This one is inside the mall, you know. Wow, O'Briel, look at that. Have the boat. It's really nice. You need to pay $30. See, look, this one is inside the mall. Wow, this is the mall name is Mines Mall. Mines Mall. Ayan. Malaki po siya. Medyo malaki-laki din po yung mall na to. Malawak. Ayan. Andito kami sa loob, sa labas ng ano. Actually, this mall, may baba pa to eh. Tingnan mo. Wow! Ang cute-cute naman. We see if the boat will come back. May mga color-color pa oh. Yay! Look at that. We go inside. Yeah. Yan. Andito na ako sa loob. Aakyat na naman kami sa taas. Andyan po yung river. Yan. Yung mall is andito. Look at that. Nice. Wow. First time ko pong pumunta dito kasi sa dami po ng shopping mall dito sa Malaysia. Pupunta kami doon sa yung sinihan kasi kami lagi. Yung target namin is Sini. At saka yung mga expo. Ayan, may Starbucks sila dito. Look at that. May Starbucks sila. May Mr. DIY. Wow, it's really nice. I really want to ride the boat, honey. I want to ride the boat. It's really nice. Look at that. One day, and you can eat there. That side, different kind of restaurant like Subway, Sippering, Aching Laksa. You know, as Aching Laksa, it's kind of noodles that very spicy, right? The laksa, it's very spicy. It's a noodles one. They put something inside. Wow, very peaceful here. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Adios.